In this video, I'll be showing you how I remove the shark fin antenna cover from this Mazda 3. So the shark fin cover just mounts over the existing factory base, using a 3M adhesive. I carefully pried it up all the way around with a flathead screwdriver. If you're doing something like this, take your time. You don't want to bend the metal or scratch the paint. Once the cover is off, you'll just unscrew the Phillips head screw that's holding it into the base. So at first, I tried to see how much of the adhesive I could take off by hand. And then I just grabbed the factory antenna and screwed it into the base. Once the cover was off, I was left with a lot of leftover adhesive. Some of it was thick and just wouldn't peel off by hand. I started by carefully using a razor blade at a shallow angle to scrape off the big chunks. Be super gentle with this. One slip and you'll scratch the paint. I worked it in short sections with light pressure. Then I switched to the real hero of the job, an eraser wheel attached to a drill. These things are made for safely removing decals and adhesive from car paint without damaging the surface. I ran it on a low to medium speed and just let the wheel do the work. I took my time and it started cleaning up great. You'll see the adhesive just melt away, way better than trying to scrub it off by hand. No more bulky shark fin, and radio signal is just as strong as ever. So that's how I removed the shark fin antenna and cleaned up all the sticky adhesive using just a razor blade and an eraser wheel. If you've got something stuck on your paint that you're worried about scratching, definitely try an eraser wheel. It's a game changer. And that's it. I want to say thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple DIY projects like these.